Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's video, we're going to switch things up and we're going to be playing with some items from Modelones, and we're really going to be focusing on this new light. This is adorable. It is the Meow light. It is cute, it is everything, and I cannot wait to show you how adorable this nail lamp is and how well it works, because I was completely taken back by it. I think it's a very awesome item. So this is what it looks like in the box and I love it. You can already see there those cat ears. And another reason why I really like it is because it has an actual plug that you plug into the wall. It doesn't have one of those like USB things, which to me are kind of a pain. And then this is what it looks like. You have those cute little cat paws there. It's super bendable and flexible, so you can really get the lamp exactly where you want it. And I really like the flexibility of it. It's super cute. And then that's where we're going to go ahead and plug in this lamp. But overall, it's so adorable. There's just something about those little pink paws and then the ears. I really like the play on the cat. I think it's really awesome idea. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and plug this guy in before we go ahead and get started. And it also has 3 timers, so it has a 15-second, which is great for flash carrying. It has a 60-second and a 30-second as well. And you can see there that that head of that cat, the ears, you can go ahead and adjust that how high or low you want. It's a really awesome lamp, but we're gonna go ahead and test it out today, which I am super excited about. I think it's adorable. It's gonna look really cute on your nail station, and it doesn't take up much room, which I love about it. And overall, it is cute. So if you're a cat lover, this is gonna be for you. All right, so we're gonna try this out today. We're gonna start off by using all Modelones products today. We're gonna use the gel base, which we're using right now. We're just applying on a jelly tip here, and we're gonna go ahead and cure. So we're gonna cure for 30 seconds. So I just went ahead and hit that button there. And you can also cure another way as well, which I'm gonna show you. We're going to be playing with a color cube today. Now this color cube, it is awesome. It's perfect for the holiday season. Great colors for New Year's, and then you have those transitional colors that you could totally get away with for Valentine's Day. But before we get into those colors, we are going to prime the brush. This is the brush that each color cube comes with. I'm taking a little bit of gel base on a lint-free wipe, and I'm just going to work that gel product into that brush there to soften it up before we go into the actual product. Having a softer brush is key when you're working with cream polishes, because it's going to help reduce streaking and you're going to have a really nice conditioned brush. Also, a little bit of product goes a long way. So right now we are using it's a chunkier glitter, and it has like this gorgeous champagne-ness to it, but I really wanted to see how chunky glitters performed with this lamp. And I wanted to see how the chunky glitters performed as a cream gel polish. So that was the main reason why I wanted to test out this color cube here, because I noticed that it had larger pieces of glitter. So what I did is I finished the rest of the glitter on those nails here, and see how I'm curing a different way. I'm actually have that nail stand on the little cat paws itself, and I cured for a full 30 seconds. Everything is completely cured. I do not have any wrinkles in that product or anything like that. It is fully cured. So I was a little concerned because it is an open nail lamp. And what I mean by that, it's not enclosed, so you have a lot of space. So I was kind of curious on how that was going to cure, because my normal nail lamp is enclosed, so I stick my hand in there and then it is curing. But I had no issues when it came to curing. Everything is curing so far with my normal method of curing for 30 seconds. Now we're going to try doing a solid nail here. That's when we're really going to see how well this cures, because if it is not curing, this is when we're going to see those wrinkles come into play with that solid color. So we're going to test it out with a solid color. Also, this nail lamp, it is a 48 watt, and it also has 33 beads. So the beads are how many lights are on the top of those cat ears. And to put it in perspective, you know those little lamps that you use when you're applying jelly tips? Those are only 6 watts and they have about 6 beads. And you could also use this little mini, like that mini lamp that you use for applying your jelly tips. You could use this instead of that. So that's awesome because this is going to be great for applying jelly tips. And then a regular nail lamp is normally, they start out at 48 watts and they have between 20 to 24 beads. So to just kind of put it in perspective for you. So this one is super awesome because it is 48 watts and it also is 33 beads. And you have that visible timer, which I really like. And I like the size and the flexibility. You can totally maneuver this lamp however you want it to cure, and it takes up a total less space than my normal nail lamp. So I really like it, and not only does it take up less space, it is super cute. So now we're gonna go ahead and apply some nail art here. I'm just taking a makeup sponge with some of that glitter here, and I'm just putting it on the edge there, and we're gonna see how well that cures as well for 30 seconds. But so far, I have had no issues with curing. Everything is curing completely normal, just like my normal size lamp. And then to seal up this mani today, I'm going to go in with the Modelones gel top coat and apply it to all the nails. And then we're going to cure for a full 60 seconds. So overall, I really like how this nail lamp performed. I think it's not only is it super adorable, but it works really well. If you're somebody that likes to apply jelly tips, this is going to be a great lamp because you're not trying to stick your finger into like that small mini lamp to flash cure. This is a great option. So everything can be found in the description box below regarding all the Model 1 products that we used today. I hope you enjoyed this cute, adorable nail lamp video, and I'll see you all in the next one.